Can't wait to check that out. All right, fall is here. So yes, we're preparing for rain and wind this weekend. Some folks are asking if Ian is going to have a negative impact on our fall foliage.
Meteorologist KJ Jacobs explains what changes we could expect for our plant life.
Fall is here and the clock is ticking for peak fall foliage in the Carolinas.
Dogwoods are fully colored up now. Sourwoods, which also get a deep red color, are showing. And a lot of the sugar and red maples individually here and there are starting to color up.
But the question now is, as Ian tracks towards the Carolinas, what impact will several inches of rainfall, 35 to 40 mile-per-hour wind gusts have on leaf season? Botanist Dr. Howard Neufeld explains why leaf season will remain intact even after the storm.
When the leaves are green, they're held on pretty tightly to the tree. So even if we have a strong windstorm or rainstorm, most of the leaves will stay on the tree.
As it goes with any weather event, timing is everything.
But this storm coming early in the season, I don't think it's going to have a big negative impact on fall color.
And guys, what's really interesting about this, once Ian moves out, if we go back to the cold nights and the sunny and dry days, that's going to be perfect weather to have the beautiful fall foliage that we all look forward to this time of year.
It's interesting though, we're in this kind of intersection, kind of transition with the seasons. We're thinking about both things.
Yeah, one of my favorite times of the year.
All right.
Thank you, KJ.
Let's get over to Brad.